Go to next clip. Am I invisible? Location Canada. Submitted by Basta. Next is, car spins out in the rain and hits guardrails, Martinez, California. This situation happened in USA. Thank you for submitted. Fking 22.
Oh shit. Oh god.
This is, man selfishly crosses in the middle of the road. This situation happened in USA. Submitted by Lord Arachnoid. Go to next clip. Police pulling up to a major car fire earlier today. Location USA NJ. From the user Derek. Next clip is, people like this need to ride the bus. Location USA. Thank you for submitted. For Keguru.
This is him giving one of those.
We are watching clip with title. Driver goes flying over the median into the oncoming lane. This situation happened in Canada. Submitted by Homicidal Penguin.
Holy fuck! Holy fuck! Holy fuck!
Clip title. West Kelowna. This happened in Canada. Thank you for submitted. I only speak facts.
God, he's gonna hit the light again. Oh my god, this guy has hit 2 lights now. What the hell is he doing?
Next clip is, lane shift and 18-wheeler ignores that. I almost get crushed. Location USA MO. Submitted by PMEUR Muffin.
And I mean, what's it like when you get there? What are your memories?
Clip title. Barely visible pedestrian crossing highway at night. Location USA. Thank you for submitted. Don Katsu. This is, mini compilation. Drunk Mercedes driver. Almost rear-ended by pickup truck going 50 miles per hour. Location USA. From the user imaginary situation. Well, this is, camper AC units chewed off by hungry 11-foot 8-8 bridge. This happened in USA. Thank you for submitted. Tomatronics. Clip title. No one injured when deer smashes through windshield of Powhatan school bus. This happened in USA. Submitted by Red Cliff. Well, this is Seattle, WA. Driver likely on phone. Goes off the shoulder and ends with predictable results. Location USA. Submitted by Bobjan94.
with that car.
Oh, wow. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, no.
He went all the way off the shoulder. He wasn't watching.
Oh, my God.
Clip title: Taxi driving dangerously slow on interstate late at night. Turn signal on. No headlights. Location USA. From the user Fatman Jogging. A few idiots trying to beat a train. This happened in USACA. Thank you for submitted. Go at some soup. Okay, let's move to another clip. Jeep just goes for it. Man. Who has time for lanes or signals or merging traffic or red lights? This happened in USAMA. Thank you for submitted. Mr. McSwifty.
Okay, that's not a red light, apparently? What a dick.
Just changed lanes right into me without signaling, almost rear-ended the guy on the right, and then just blows through a red light.
Like, blatantly, too.
Next is, guy doesn't know how exits or lanes work. This happened in USAMAOC. From the user Hipster Garbage. Poor guy in an Infiniti misjudged reversing into a driveway and drove into the ditch. This situation happened in USAOOC. Thank you for submitted. Memphis Reigns.
It definitely wouldn't cause brain damage. Like, the worst acoustic attack wouldn't cause somebody brain damage.
No, so really there's two ways, because here's the other thing, like, people said they heard a weird sound or whatever, but it wasn't necessarily some, but before that there was just a lot of treatment going on and it wasn't being documented properly. So the NAS, just right out of the gate, was like, this is what we're working with, for real?
Yeah, I mean, they didn't even have stuff like original blood samples.
Next clip is, but that's not my favorite way. This situation happened in USA or OC. Submitted by XHarzXMarTX.
Go around? What the fuck are you doing? Alright.
Clip title: Stopped cop pulls out into my lane while I'm going 50 miles per hour. This situation happened in USA SoCal OC. Thank you for submitted. Imaginary situation.
What was your problem?
Stopped car decides to change lanes. I avoid collision. This happened in USA WA. Submitted by Horrible Comments.